short cinematic you just watched is a video that I shot with a mate Sam over the weekend, and it's just because I'm wanting to try new things this year. Like I said on my 2023 update, I'm going to be doing more videography content, and so I want to try new videography style, stuff that I've never shot before. And so a fitness video is kind of one of those things that I've always wanted to try but never done. So this was my first attempt, so let me know what you thought. But today I'm basically just going to share kind of like a behind the scenes vlog of what happened on the day of the shoot and also leading up to the shoot, because I actually fell off my skateboard the first time we went to shoot this content and it was not fun. I've been in a lot of pain the last few days because of it. Thankfully it could have been a lot worse and it was just some grazing. I didn't break any bones or anything like that, but I did come off the skateboard and smash the screen on my camera. And again, I'm just super grateful that it's not way worse than it is. This video is just a bit of a behind the scenes of what happened on Saturday when we filmed the full video. How are you?
Yeah, not bad, yourself?
Not too bad. Pretty bruised. What do you reckon?
To be honest, the hills have the view.
Yeah.
And run down to where the bridge is, because the bridge would be a cool shot.
Yep. So once we figured out where we were going, we headed off on our journey, and I was skating a lot more carefully this time.
You play riding in that?
Yeah. So we just started shooting some content, and one of the first things I tried was just some classic slow-mo. Some very epic views back here. Gonna get some shots of Sam just taking a bit of a break. From here we kept heading up towards a spot that Sam knew about where there was a waterfall. So I just kept shooting content the whole way.
It's like in the middle of both. Go either way.
This is like ideal because it's like so wide. So I can easily like follow.
Good. Alright, gee. Like this is where like all the BMXs ride.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's really annoying sometimes.
Really? Alright, so Sam's brought me to a pretty cool place with like a waterfall or a little weir. So I'm gonna take the drone off now, get some drone footage hopefully of this waterfall, and then maybe some shots of Sam running, and I'm very pumped. Alright, so we're at the halfway point. We're about to head back around the loop. And I'm very hot. Getting very sweaty. I'm not even running, so...
You got a backpack on.
Yeah, it's just the sun. I'm not used to being out in the sun. From here, Sam took me to a bridge where I tried out a new technique that I've never done before, which is to slow the shutter speed down, which gives you this motion blur. I thought it was interesting. So we've just stopped at another spot. It's just a bridge just here over the river. So I'm going to take the drone up again and get some shots hopefully, see how it turns out. So after getting some shots on the drone at this location, we decided to just head back towards the cars, and I got some final shots along the river. I literally just walked up the stairs and I'm puffed. How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah?
It's good, right? Good weather.
That's good. That's good. I think it was successful.
Much more than last time.
Yeah, more successful last time, so. so we're back in the car. Sam's finished the run, and I'm very hot. It's only 23 degrees, but the sun's quite warm today. So it's good to be back in the air conditioning. I actually really had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed shooting some new content, trying something different. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. Feel free to leave me a comment below, just letting me know if you like this kind of video, if you want me to do more, or if you want me to do less. I won't be offended. But yeah, other than that, I hope you have an amazing day today, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.